In today's tutorial, we will explore the art of turning rectangular images into perfect circles in Google Slides. Whether you're designing logos, avatars, or simply want a sleek look, this technique has you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Insert an image. Open your Google Slides presentation, navigate to the slide where you want to add the circular image, click Insert Image and choose the image you'd like to work with. 2. Crop the image to a square. Double-click on the image to open the Format Options pane on the right. Under Adjustments, drag the black cropping handles to create a perfect square. Use a corner handle for accuracy. Resize the image within the cropped area using the square blue sizing handles. 3. Apply the circular mask. Click the arrow beside Crop in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Shapes and then click the oval shape, which will act as our circle. The oval mask will surround the square image, making only the round areas visible. 4. Fine-tuning. Adjust the position of the circular image within the slide. If needed, tweak the transparency or add a border to enhance the effect. Happy designing!